Alright guys, so today we're gonna be testing out like the masking of watercolor. It's something that I've always wanted to try out, and hopefully it turns out good. Hopefully I know how to use it. Alright. So right off the bat, I have a complaint. It was like kind of opened. I'm not sure if that's the store's fault or something, but it just reeked like fish. Yeah, it smelled really bad, and like I don't know if there was supposed to be like a protective film or something, but there was something squishy in the lid that I removed. So yeah, that was kind of weird. So as you can see, there's like a lot of spots that kind of overflowed, and hopefully with the masking, we could stop that. It smells like fish. I think I messed up big time. I'm not even sure how you use it. I'm just kind of like going in there blind. I'm pretty sure you just don't apply it directly into like your line art, but I'm not sure because it kind of left. Wait, actually, I'm not sure. Okay, I guess we'll make an update right now. So we're gonna be using the masking in progress. We're gonna see how useful it is. I don't think I masked it very well, but if you use it right, I think it'll cover your paint good. Cause I used like some paint right here and it didn't even overflow, but over here I did because I didn't really like apply too much, and I had to redraw some of the lines because when I peel it off, like it got like bloody, and look what they did to the paper.